So when I have a square root, put a little 2 here so you don't forget that it's a 2. If there's nothing there, people tend to think it's a 1, and then they make a mistake that makes the problem wrong. So I'm going to divvy this up. This would be log of a to the 3 halves. The 3 is the inside number over the outside number, times b to the 5 halves over c to the 7. Everybody get that? All right, so this is, if you divide this up, it's going to be log of a to the 3 halves plus log of b to the 5 halves, because multiplication turns into addition and you give everybody its own sign, and the guy downstairs turns into a minus because it's dividing log base of c to the 7, okay? Now you remember the exponent rule says that if you have an exponent, you can put it in the front. So it's 3 halves log a plus 5 halves log b minus 7 log c. Yeah. Okay. So log of a is 8, so it's going to be 3 halves of 8 plus 5 halves of negative 8 minus 7 times 7. 3 halves of 8 is 12, I believe.
Yeah, and then minus plus negative 12 minus 49.
And this is minus 5 times 4 minus 20 minus 49, I believe. So the exponents go in the front, so it's 2 log of a plus 2 log of c, because these exponents go in the front. The exponent of a square root of b would be 1/2, so it's 1/2 log of b. And then you just plug in these values up here. So you have 12 minus 18 plus 3, which is negative 3.